What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's talk about JASMY coin in this video. And the reason why I'm going to talk about JASMY coin is because one, I'm investing into it, and two, I believe it's going to be a really big play in 2024 and 2025. Now, I took the liberty in, typing into the Grok Chatbot, asking about a prediction for JASMY coin. The reason why I did that is because there's not much news that's happening right now with JASMY coin. You would expect to have a lot, especially with the popularity that it does see. You see the amount of volume that goes through it for the market cap that it does have. And it's like, this should be a lot higher in a price and should have a lot more positive movement to it. So I want to talk about this, and we understand that it doesn't have that level of information that others may have, but it always has that popularity, right? It's kind of popular for being popular. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. And if you guys want to follow me on Rumble, that link is also in the description. Now, don't forget about my Margex account. I have a Margex link down below if you guys want to start trading with Margex. You can trade up to 100x leverage if you want to on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on BNB. You can trade 50x leverage or up to 50x leverage on Sol. And I feel like it's a great way to understand the market. They do have really good interactive indicators that you can have with it. So feel free to go ahead and check out that platform and see if you like it. I really do like it. They don't have a crazy amount of cryptocurrencies on there, but they do have enough so that you can find options, in different things that may be moving or not moving. So definitely go ahead and check that out. Now, me saying that, JASMY coin is popular for being popular shouldn't be taken as a negative. I feel like it has that popularity. We understand what the future will bring, what the future will be with this position. But the issue is that we don't have any brand new news, right? And it's not doing anything. And if it is doing something, they're not expressing to us exactly what they are doing. You know what I mean? If we had more news, I'm sure that this would be even higher of a price than it was, because we would see, or than it is, because then we would see a lot of videos that are being created about the new updates and new things that they are doing, whether they're pushing out more information about JASMY chain or about the lockup. Like, there's a lot of people that don't know anything about the lockup, and this lockup is coming from the first to the, January 1st, I guess, to March 31st. Couldn't think of the month. Let's go ahead and look at JASMY coin really quick. And like I said, what I did was type into the Grok chatbot like what the prediction was. And I want to, obviously I spoiled it within the title, but I want to go through it and see what they are saying and why, these predictions may not be 100% accurate, but kind of save themselves and secure themselves because, they don't want to be sued for not reaching that level, right? But you need to understand all areas that it could get to, and not saying that it will get to that point, saying that it could get to that point, and expressing that it will only get to a certain level should also be taken as a huge negative. But people don't lose money by selling early. That's the thing. People may lose money by selling late or not selling at whatever the high points are. But you lose out on opportunity. Anyways, the JASMY coin is currently sitting at 61 or almost 62% of a penny. We are seeing the market that's pretty negative this morning. I don't know when this video is going to come out. I think it might come out somewhere around 12. And I'm currently recording this at 5:52 a.m. So hopefully things do turn around. But what we're seeing is the overall price is down by 5.64% in the last day. If we look at the market cap, it's currently at a $300 million market cap. We are seeing this volume at 58% increase. It's at about $100 million worth of volume, and you're seeing 30% of the volume is through the market cap. So if you look at the volume to market cap ratio, it shows the popularity. Very popular, has a lot of money that's flowing through it, and usually that's the case, has a lot of money that's flowing through it. And the reason why it has that popularity is because of the markets that it is available on, right? Because it's available on two S-tier exchanges, Binance and not KuCoin. Well, it is available on KuCoin. Binance and Coinbase, and then you also have KuCoin. But two S tier exchanges looking at majority of that volume happening on Binance. You're seeing 24% here, total of about 25, 26% overall. But then you see also Coinbase has about 5 or 6%. You see KuCoin that has about 2%, but majority of that volume happens on Binance there. So it has two S tier exchanges, which is definitely a good thing. A total of 50 billion coins in the supply. Seeing majority of the supply out there always gets people excited. Because you have no chance for dilution. And while it did have dilution, you have no chance now. And while we see that we know that we have the lockup coming up, no matter how much they lock up, whether it's 1 billion or it's 30 billion, we're still going to see a better price ceiling for everybody that's invested before the lockup. People that invest after the lockup, you may see a little bit dilution as they do release those coins eventually, right? Because the lockup's only going to happen for a certain period of time. It's like staking your tokens. You would stake it for a certain period of time, and then you would end up pulling it out. If they have like a dedicated staking period, then you would have that staking period until things dry up. And then all of those coins would go back into circulation. The same thing goes here, right? You would have the lockup, and then all coins would go back into circulation. Now, I typed into Grok, just like what is the price prediction for JASMY in the next 10 years? That's all I wanted to know. I did want to know like will JASMY coin reach $1? And they stated that they believe JASMY coin would reach 1 cent or 2 cents of a high. And that was definitely interesting because they're basically saying that it's going to get back to just the high market cap. And they're going off of that information, which is understandable, right? You're going back to the high market cap of like a $1.2 billion market cap. But it can go a lot further. It wasn't really given the full ability and free reign to increase to multiple billions of dollars. But in 10 years, the price prediction for JASMY coin is quite optimistic. According to some sources, the coin could reach a maximum price of 7 cents in the year by the year 2033. This prediction is based on technical analysis and market trends, which suggests that JASMY coin is poised for a bullish trajectory in the long term. However, it is important to keep in mind that crypto market is inherently volatile and subject to fluctuations. So they're basically saying that it can get to 7 cents. And honestly, you look at a level of 2 cents, and that is, a 500. Sorry, you look at a level of 1 cent, that's a $500 million market cap. And then you look at 2 cents, you're looking at about $1 billion market cap. So a level of 6 cents would be 3 billion. You're talking about a $3.5 billion market cap for JASMY coin, which is great to be able to see that. They're looking at a 3x. That's basically where those predictions are coming from. Typically within a bull market, as you see a certain high and it resists from that high, you see a 2x to 3x on that ultimate high price. However, that was not the high price. That was the highest price that it got to, but it was never given the chance to succeed after the fact, right? Because, it did get launched on Coinbase, and you saw the dilution, or you saw the hype, but then you saw the dive of the crypto market overall, and then you started to see that dilution as time went on. And they had this plan to dilute the position until they get to the complete dilution, and then you have everything that could be implemented within it. But during that time, it was a bear market, right? So it was never given that chance to rise to whatever the ultimate high was. So saying that it's getting to 2 to 3 times over what that price is kind of a safe bet. I believe that should have been to probably somewhere around a $4 to $5 billion market cap. And then you talk about 3 to 4x from there, and getting to about a 20-cent price is definitely more reasonable for me and where I see it. But then you understand that as time goes on, and as you have more popularity, you can have that rise to a level of 40 cents or 50 cents. And saying $1 is completely out of the question at a $50 billion market cap is absurd, right? And they're not saying it's not out of the question. And they're not saying that it is out of the question, that it will never happen. They're just implying that they believe it will get to a maximum of 7 cents. And that's based off of other people's predictions, right? It's not based off of Grok. And I would like to know what Grok thinks, not just based off of there, but I guess they did say, hey, this is what it is based off of this source. I would like various sources to come together, because there's other sources that claim this is going to get to a level in 10 years you're talking about. This is going to get to a way higher level in price. So let me know your opinion on where you think JASMY coin will be. But I'm shooting for, a level of 10 to 20 cents, but then pushing a lot further than that. Obviously, I will take profit with my 1 million JASMY coin, but I know people out there that have 2 million and are trying to save $1 million until it gets to $1. And it definitely has the potential. People have counted out a lot of positions. You remember people counted out Dogecoin and it will never be worth anything. And then it became worth $100 billion and probably would be worth more than $100 billion this bull cycle. Like, that's the thing that people don't understand, is they don't understand the bull cycles. And they also don't understand, I guess they don't understand the crypto market. But again, it came from a certain source, a certain analysis. But let me know your opinion, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.